Okay.
Whatever I want.
Okay. Oh, yeah. That nigga struggling. What's up, YouTube? It's the boy Tarek, and I'm back with another video. We're here to Friday match. We in St. Louis today. What's good? Yeah. We got a Coles today. Where the Coles at? Where's he at? Where the Coles at? Oh, this nigga black as hell. Who we here with?
You know what I'm saying? We got Burn Biscuit on the mic. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, what we doing today, bro?
We seeing which one of these ugly ass niggas finna get these girls. That's what we seeing. You know what I'm saying? Hey, shut up, nigga, before I make you go first.
Anyways, you got the guy side. You feel me?
Yeah. But ladies first.
Ladies first.
Ladies first.
Y'all ready? We're gonna go with number. Let me get number 8 on the female side.
Dang, I can't count.
Ooh! Alright. Plug your IG.
It's Kaya.Garen.
You ready? What do you think your match is over here? Come on.
Who's online? Up to there.
Yeah. Purple shirt right there. Come on. Who you got?
Not you. Not y'all.
You could go up to them, you could ask them questions, you could do whatever. Come on now.
What you want to do with your life?
I'm in college, so shit, I'm gonna be an engineer.
An engineer?
Yeah.
Okay. What year of college you in?
Senior.
You finna be one real soon.
Okay.
What you want to do with your life?
Shit, YouTube. Shit.
Just YouTube?
No, business.
Okay. What you want to do?
I already know I do content, but I'm starting my first clothing brand, next year, so that's where I'm at.
What about you?
YouTube, do this thing.
So all y'all want to be some YouTubers?
See where the money's at. Come on now. Come on, we find the track. We find the track.
I like you. I
What's
think
up,
you're
my boy? Think it's a
fine.
match or not?
Damn.
Yes or no?
I mean, I like what I see. I ain't gonna lie.
Say some match? Yeah, no? Walk it out together?
If you choose, you have to walk off. There's no other choices.
Hold on. If I choose,
If you choose this,
If you accept them.
Yeah.
Come on. 5, 4. Alright. We got our first match. Hey yo, that took some time.
I think I'm feeling. Who number 6? Who number 6? So we can't count who. What?
Look at your
You gotta look at your card.
Number
Look at
6
your
on your cards, man. I know what he's I think he was. Oh, you was number 6? Was you number 6? That was me, man.
What's up, man?
So look. Hey, the floor is yours. Choose. What you like, man. Go. Come on, shout.
Man, the first question is, who's celibate?
Hold on.
Who's celibate? Anybody celibate over here?
Who's favoring themselves for God?
Right here.
Okay, as long as you ain't celibate, we good. Shit, I don't like celibate females, all right? I want you to divide that, not hide that motherfucker, all right? Yeah. All right. What's your name? Renee, your nickname? Yanni, Renee, your name?
Hey, Yana is my name.
Hey, my feisty one. What's your name?
JT.
JT.
Sky.
Scott. My bad, Sky. Nay. Christy.
Eliana.
I'm getting everybody's names wrong today, ain't I? Shit. Christy. Okay. Chris. Okay, my bad. I got you.
Eliana.
Lola.
Come on, man.
All right.
What you like?
All right.
Come on, man.
Out of all y'all, who got the best? Confidence is key, right, gang? Confidence is key, ain't that right?
No, but that one.
Confidence is key. Shit.
Man, who you think you're a match with, bro? Because I don't know.
Shit. Damn.
Who you think you're a match with, man?
Man, for real, I'm gonna match with all of them. I ain't no picky nigga.
You gotta pick one, bro.
All right, choose number 1 through 5.
Use your eyes. Choose with your eyes.
Let me see. How you doing? What's your name again? Sky.
That's the one you fucked up. You fucked the name up twice.
Scott, you think you're a match with him? No?
Nope.
All right. So you're not out yet, though. Yeah.
All right.
So, any of y'all ladies find this nigga attractive right here? Step out. 5, 4, 3.
Got good dick.
Hold on. Bruh, so, it's on you now, bruh. You accept?
I accept. You know what I'm saying? I ain't no pretty ass nigga.
You accept y'all walk out to get a perfect match.
Man, there's hope for everybody.
Yo, all right, we back. That was long as hell, but why y'all take it? Yo, speed it up. We going to number 5, the girl's side. Who we here with?
Whoop your ass.
Who we here? Wait, what? Who we here with?
Drunk off Nate.
Okay, who you think your perfect match is over here?
She like, she wanna kill you. What you doing?
Let it go. I got this.
Come on. Yeah, come on. Okay.
Frank, can I have some of your candy?
Yeah, you got some man. She just want you for your candy.
Did they plan this shit?
All right.
Did they plan
Now
this
can I
shit?
take you?
Yeah.
Lego. I got candy.
I guess we got a match.
Get you a nigga that'll share his food. Let's go ahead and, dang, bro, we don't got no, everybody got a match so far, okay? Who number 3? Yeah.
What's up with them, baby slime on IG, man?
Only way to come up in this shit is to be greedy. I'm not from my
Remember, you can steal.
Yeah,
Keep that in your
see
head.
something you like over there on those two. You can always steal.
What? Everything somebody ain't deserving.
Well, they ain't good. Beautiful ladies right here, man. Come on.
I ain't gonna fake it. I see some over here that look better than over there.
Where?
Shit.
Oh, okay. Come on. You could
I
ask
don't
somebody
know.
you want to
I'm
ask
saying
them.
like you mean. You sound like you grumpy and shit. What you be doing?
Chilling, smoking.
Smoking.
Okay.
Lay back and
Yeah, that's
work.
what I do. Smoke. Oh, what you be on?
Nothing I seen.
Sing. I rap. You fucking rapping. Make songs or some shit. What you be doing?
Write music, sing, dance, act, all that.
She
I'm
on
a
the
teacher.
song. I like that. She got a good head on her body. What you be up to?
I'm in Playboy. I'm Miss Bowling Green USA, so I do pageants and stuff.
She got a lot going on. Yeah. For real. What you be got going? I'm sweating this shit.
Hey, stop talking.
You like, what you be having going?
I be working with my friends.
You working?
But you see them
Nah,
eyebrows?
ain't nothing wrong with that. I ain't see.
Come on, man. Who you think's the perfect match?
Man, I like how she look right here. I ain't gonna fake it. She look like she just gonna turn the nigga down. Oh, gang.
You know unless you try, man.
No, sir.
Yeah, I already do it.
All right, God. You ain't out yet, though, bruh. You ain't out yet, man. Anyways, y'all. So, any of y'all find my boy attractive right here, please step out. 5, 4, 3,
Hey, look, ladies, we running out of guys.
1. Man, I'm sorry, bro, but you're out, man. It's cool, man. It's nice having you. Anyways, we back on the girl's side. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna call no number. You say you got your eye on somebody over here. It's on you.
Ooh.
Step on out.
Hey, y'all. My name is You Love Yanni.
Ooh, she got her eyes. No.
Nah, I wasn't looking at you. I was looking at him. But ain't nothing wrong with you. I was looking at him. He know I was looking at him, but I don't want that. You step up.
Hold on, you stealing?
I said you step up. I'm looking. He was in there, right? He was looking.
You can still, you can match.
Come on.
Where the other match? That's the only match. That's the only person over.
You want to see the other match too?
Yeah, what the other
Other
one?
match, please step up.
Show Liz.
What you doing?
Just don't take my candy, okay?
Wait, what she said? Oh, we ain't here. What she said? What you say?
Said don't steal the candy.
Oh, okay.
What
What you think?
What you do?
Work. I be working. I be YouTube and shit. What you mean? I just answered the question.
I'm just asking.
I just answered the
Okay,
question.
okay. What you be doing outside?
Outside, I'm in college. Shit, I cut hair, customize shoes, got a couple of vending machines.
Alright, you talk to me. Damn. You trying to stay with her or you trying to talk to me? Hey.
How old are you?
20.
How old are you? Yeah, I can really have both of y'all. For real.
Pick one.
Do that?
Pick one. TikTok.
I'll stay with her.
Okay. Woo.
Guess what?
That's a good
I ain't
one.
gonna lie. So that means you're automatically out. You
I'm
got
out
rejected. So
Number one, where are they?
Damn.
Okay, yeah. Go ahead and go shop.
My IG, mama in front of 4 on Steve.
come on, man. Let's get straight to it. Don't even waste no
All right.
What you gotta do?
What's your name again?
Lola.
What's your real name?
Lola.
Straight up? All right. For real? All right, I'm going to keep. All right. What's your name?
Eliana.
What's your nickname?
Ellie.
Bad. What's your name?
Chrissy.
I remember your name, but I don't. Yeah.
Come on, man. Who you think you're a perfect match? Who you think you're a match with, bro? Come on.
You can still remember that.
Phone just got rejected. I ain't trying to.
Look.
You can still get rejected.
I was gonna say, what she say though? What you wanna do with your life?
I want to sing.
Sing. Alright. What about you?
I want to be an all-around artist.
She hard. You said you was Playboy, right? What else you wanna do?
I want to be a nurse.
Scrubs? Bet.
Yeah.
Alright. That's it?
No, well, I also want to be like Miss USA, but I don't know. I'm
Alright. What about you?
firefighter.
Straight up?
All right, man. Come on. You want the firefighter? You want a nurse? You want the all-around artist? Or you want a singer? Come on.
Hey, she can save you if something go down.
When I'm feeling bad, she could sing though. She all around though. She hard.
True. Is she Playboy?
And a nurse though.
Oh, what you doing, man? Come on. 5, 4.
I'm gonna go with her.
One nurse.
Yeah. She a nurse.
You think you're a perfect match?
Well, I don't want to think about it and like talk to the other guy. No, but you're cool though.
So it's a no.
You're cute. Yeah,
So you
I fuck with
rejected.
you.
Oh!
Yeah, but
Oh, yeah, you ain't out yet though. Do any of y'all ladies find them attractive? Step on out. I ain't even gonna count.
I ain't fucking with
We
you.
running out of niggas.
It was 3. We're back on the girls' side. Let's see what number 2 talking about. What's up, nurse?
Eliana.mb. ELLIANA.mb.
Ellie, who you think the perfect match is over here?
I don't know. I got it like, okay, what's your name? Steph. What's your ideal date?
Say that again.
What's your ideal date?
Date?
Mm-hmm.
Probably like a picnic or something.
Okay. What's your name?
Monte.
What's your ideal date?
Ideal date?
Mm-hmm.
Shit. Fucking shoot.
Okay. I know your name, but what's your name?
True.
Okay. What's your ideal date?
Robbing niggas together.
Wow. Yeah, I'm really fucking with that. Okay.
Some St. Louis shit, bro.
I feel like probably you because you had a serious answer. I like picnics.
Picnics.
So, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think, Brett? Think you're a match?
Can I see that?
Yes.
How old you is?
I'm 20.
20. And you said you want to be a what?
A nurse.
A nurse.
Come on, man.
It's a
What you
match.
think?
It's a match.
Match? Yes, sir. We got another match. How many rejections we got so far? Like
I'm
one?
be real. We only got one rejection.
One?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it was a person trying to steal.
Okay. No, 2 rejections. 3?
All right. I'm gonna choose number 5. You a bitch. Come on. Come shop.
Come on, step one out.
I need B. I need B. You need me?
Yeah, I'm gonna have you pick who you think better for me because we live together type shit. So we like actually bros.
You right.
You know what's up.
You right. Facts.
I bet her. So go ahead. Who you think?
Can you cook? What you cook? Don't say pasta.
Anything.
Anything?
Name like 2 things that you make.
Damn, why y'all putting me on the spot like that? I don't know.
Can you cook? Can you cook chicken?
Yeah.
You like chicken? You black?
That's cool.
Yeah. That's cool. All right. What you do?
I sing, I dance, I act, I'm a teacher.
Can you sing? Can you hit a note for us?
Yeah, y'all want me to sing something?
hit a
Right
note.
now. I'm gonna say it with you too.
Let me see. I like to say we gave it a try.
Say it.
I like to blame it all on life.
She get that note.
I think it's your turn to hit the note.
This one right. Y'all want me to be done?
Oh, you good. You proved it. That's okay. You got to top that or something. What you got for us?
What do you? Oh my God. What do you want me to say?
What you do? What you do? Give us something special about you.
Something special about me? I think the firefighter thing is pretty special.
That is actually special.
Hard.
You like yeah.
But nah.
So who you feeling?
It's up to you. You pick it for me.
You want me to pick for you?
You pick for me. And we gonna see if we a match or not.
I ain't gonna lie. You athletic. She kind of tall. I see NBA babies.
Cause you know I know how to dunk and shit. So is we a match? Yes or no?
Yeah, I'm a man.
She said we a match.
We got perfect.
We a match for sure, man.
Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah. That nigga struggling. All right, so we're here with the last guy and 2 females. You feel me? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna allow him to go first. Down to the last 2 females, right? Who we here with?
Man, you already know, man. It's your boy Vontae, man. We going crazy on all platforms. No cap, man. You know.
Come on, my boy.
I already know what this is. It's Miss Sky. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I know she can sing, though. And I feel like I want you. You not singing? You scared to sing? All right, we're going to talk about that later. What's your name?
Lola.
What you do for a living?
I work at Starbucks.
Starbucks? Mm-hmm. You like Starbucks? Mm-hmm. I like the eye contact, though.
Do you?
Yeah. I fuck with it.
I'm good at it.
Yeah, I fuck with it. I'm coming back here, though.
Mm-hmm.
How many tattoos you got?
8.
8? Where at, though?
Everywhere.
You get a nigga name tatted?
Maybe.
You get my name tatted? Maybe. All right. I'm gonna shoot my shot, cause shoot or shoot. You know what I'm saying? So I think this is my match right here. Cause
You
you
get
feel
a
me?
perfect match or what? Yeah. All right. So now we're here with the last female. We're the last female.
Okay.
Did you see any of the guys attractive?
Not really.
None of them? Is there any guy in the room that you was attracted to?
Not even the ones that playing.
Who was not even playing? Any of them in the room?
You can even choose the cameraman.
Even a cameraman. Even this black nigga, right? Anybody.
You on my dick.
Word.
I don't think so.
No one attractive to you?
I didn't look.
So you walking out here single?
I think so.
She walking out here single, y'all.
I had me a bitch when I kept 40 on me. But she was bad luck. I cut her ass off, but that was last month. She calling my phone, she calling my bluff. I got me a chick and she is cordial to me. And she is enough.
Alright, let's get it. Tell me real quick.
I just
gotta tell me real quick.
Told him keep the receipt. Bought me some stocks, nigga, just in case. Keep me some cash, put it in the safe. I be wanting to spaz, but I just can't. I'm in my bag, man, this shit stank. Man, this shit stinking. Counting up Franklin, swerving in the Lincoln. Remember I had pennies, now my diamonds blinking. Yo, bitch gave me brain, what the fuck was she thinking? What the fuck on her mind? She wasn't too bright, her lights kinda dim, but she cute and she slim. That bitch was a dime. I bought her a lift, I don't like to drive. I don't drive these hoes, and I swear to God, these bitches, they be outside. I won't side with these hoes. This bitch see my whip, say she wanna drive. I won't let these hoes drive me. Girl that I'm with, she a definite vibe. Yeah, that be my wife.